Now here is our automatic tube film sealing machine. You can see this is the PLC value, and here is for the automatic tube filling part. This is the tube holder. For here is the tube orientation, and this one is for sealing station, and here is for the sealing. I show you the sealing in details. Here is the sealing tool for the machine. Then the purple one is for the base coating, and later I will show you the base coating part details. This is the hopper, and here is the cutting function. All the function, all the station can be controlled by individuals. For this one, it's for the adjusting the height. It's very easy to adjusting and operate. For adjusting our machine test for one tube size, you only need for about 10 pieces tubes. Then you can adjust the right height for the machine. And this is the whole machine video. You can see it's all the thin steel material. And this one at the inside for our machine, you can see the electric noise. The cables are very neat, and this is the external control. This is the whole machine. You can see. Now this machine are ready for shipment to the USA customer. And this one is the same automatic. And now I show you our workshop for manufacturing the tube sealing machine. And here is our workshop. This is the already one. And for this one, you can see the date coating you can change by this one. These two are delicious. And my worker are install the machine. Here machine are all installation.